Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, in this page we click clear cache, and then you can go to the window of clear data, but don't click here because that can cause errors on your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.